Service in Lincoln has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Edgar County, Vermillion County, southeastern Champaign County until 4:30 p.m. At 3:52 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Allerton, or 19 miles northeast of Tuscola, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Danville, Hoopeston, St. Joseph, Georgetown, Westville, Tilton, Catlin, Oakwood, Rossville, Sydney, Homer, Ridge Farm, Ogden, Potomac, Fairmount, Sidell, Rankin, Fithian, Belgium, and Hume. This includes Interstate 74 between mile markers 189 and 219.